Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to talking about VTP. Simple means VLAN Trunking Protocol, which allows multiple switches in the same network. So I'm going to pick 4 switches to demonstrate this project. So this is the 4 switches. So these 4 switches, I'm going to indicate one as a server, so I'll take this one as a server. So let me highlight it. So this is the server, and I'm going to use a cable, automatically cable. So you see, after me connecting the cable, you see a blocking stage. That's the orange, that's the blocking stage. It means if you are sending a file or a message through each switch, it will not pass through, so you need to trunk it. So first of all, after that, as I said, this one is a server. I indicate this one as a server, and this one will be the client. These 3 of them will be the client. So I'm going to create a VLANs. So this one VLAN 10, 20, 30 and 40. So this one will start as VLAN 10. So you come to the CLI mode. When you come, this one will pop up. Then you type enable, then config T. Then after that, you're going to create a VLAN. So this one is VLAN 10. Then you name the VLAN. That is the HR. The next VLAN is VLAN 20. You name it finance. That's VLAN 30. Name will be marketing, and the last VLAN 40, which will be named as, let's say, PRO, then exit. So after that, you have created a VLAN, 4 VLANs, that's up to VLAN 40. So you see there's interface, this interface 1, interface 2 on the side of the server. So I'm going to trunk this interface 1 and 2. When you come here, is interface 1 and interface 2. So all this having the same interface 1 and 2. Then let's trunk the first one, the server. Then you enter the interface of the server. That's interface FA. No, it is 2, so you don't need to do it one after the other. You have to combine everything. So interface range FA 0 1 2 2. Okay, you can copy this for the rest of the configuration, then enter. Then you come to switch port mode trunk. Then after that, you see that it's on the blocking stage as well. So you forward it, then it is green. After that, you save your work, do WR to save it. Then this is a server. You come to the client, the interface, the O is 1 and 2, the configuration mode. Then you type the enter, enable, config T. The interface as FA 0 1 and 2. Then switch port mode trunk. Then you save it Then you go to the next. Then enable config T. Then the interface, switch port, mode trunk. You save the work. That is the last one. That's the client 4. Then enable config T, the interface, and you truncate switch ports mode. Okay, switch ports mode trunk. Then you save it. Then after that, you forward it. Sometimes after trunking it, one of the interface was still at the blocking stage, yet it will still function. So let's see if the VLAN that we created is still exists. So you type do show VLAN. You see the HR is VLAN 10, the finance is VLAN 20, the marketing is VLAN 30, and the last one is the PRO is the VLAN 40. So after that, now the rest of the configuration, that's the VTP that we are going to do, that's the VLAN protocol, VLAN trunking protocol, will be at this side. So this is the client. So the client protocols is what we are going to do. VTP mode server, then VTP version 2, then VTP domain, that's olembe.net, then the password as a VTP password olembe. Then we are done. This is the process. So the first process is the VTP mode server, VTP version 2, VTP domain as olembe.net, and the VTP password as olembe. Then after that, you proceed all this process to the client. The difference that is, instead of server, you make it a client. So you come here, then VTP mode client, VTP version 2, VTP domain as olembe.net, then VTP password as olembe. You see, then you go to the next. Then you come VTP version 2. You can make it anyhow if you wish. VTP domain as olembe.net, then the VTP mode client then the VTP password Olembe. We are done here. The last client, so VTP client as mode client. VTP domain as Olembe dots. VTP version 2, and then VTP password as Olembe. Then you are done. Then now you are going to check if truly the information that you proceed here they will also receive. If here it is 10, here will be 20, yet they are all going to receive the VLANs. So let's check. Do show VLAN. You see, then you can see there's nothing show. It means the trunking wasn't go through. There's an error with the other side. So int range FA 1 and 2, switch port mode trunk. Now let's see this one. Do show VLAN. Now everything is done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow for more.